Hello and welcome to the channel. This is Where Are We Going, and I'll be touring the Roadtrek Pivot with Mary from Fred's RV. You know Mary from my previous videos. We did a great tour of the Renegade Vienna, so I'll be shutting up. She'll take the show. Let's start.
Hi, I'm Mary from Fred's RV here with Isaac today to go over the Roadtrek Pivot, all new for Roadtrek in 2024. They did a great job here again on the Ram 2500 chassis, and we love Roadtrek here at Fred's RV. We've been partners with them for a long time. We're the oldest Roadtrek dealer in the country. Roadtrek's been around for 50 years, and we've been around for 78. But let's take a little tour of the Roadtrek Pivot here on the Ram chassis. Very nicely equipped. You have the fog lights and good running lights up top. And we love the Ram chassis because we have these big entry steps. So when you open this door, you get a nice big step that comes out. You can put your whole foot on to get in and out. And we have 3 of these steps around the whole van, which is great. We love that in the Ram chassis. Coming back here, we do have our Truma heater. And then down here, we do have our 30 amp shore power hookup, and we have our cable hookup. And right inside here is the macerator and a traditional 3-inch dump. So Roadtrek is the only B van offering a macerator. So even though this is a cassette toilet, Roadtrek is still giving you the macerator to pump out your gray water. So you just pull your lever here, put this into the tank, and then there's a button to push inside the driver's door there to make the pump do the macerating. So you do have that here, and then you have your the fresh water drain here too. So this is to drain the fresh water out of the tank. That's for your gray tank. But in here, we also do have a cassette toilet in this unit. So this is easy to take to the dump. You're just going to pull this out, take it to any bathroom or a dump receptacle, and just dump it out using this little spout right here. So super easy. A lot of people love that cassette toilet. You're going to fill up your fresh water tank right here. This is something I didn't mention before. Roadtrek has 37 gallons of fresh water. So they're giving you the most fresh water tank in the B van industry also. Back here we do have a nice outside shower. So you can shower here with hot and cold running water, and this just unlocks with your key, and you have a good outside shower that you can rinse off before you go inside the van. These do have a nice 360 door that comes all the way around, which is going to give you a nice living space in the back here. This door also will swing all the way around, but our awning's up there right now, so we don't want to go too far. Back here we do have a nice 2-inch hitch receiver with the 4 and 7 pin wiring harness goes right in here. And this also will tow 3,500 pounds and can hold about 350 on the hitch itself. You have your outside water receptacle here. So when you're going to hook up to city water, that's going to go right in here. And then that looks like it's it for the back, because they moved a lot of things around to the side on this one. Up here we do have when you're going to hook up to that city water, you're going to select what version you're doing, either city fill, your normal operation, or your winterizing. So all you do is flip these valves to put them into the position you need depending on what you're doing. And that's just access there to the water pump for when you winterize. But you can also store a few things in there. Look at all the great storage back here. So you have plenty of storage all the way through here. And these are nice positive latches that are going to latch and keep these cabinets closed as you're going down the road. You have 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 cabinets and 3 sets of drawers here. Great amount of storage. These can be your 2 single beds, or this can be 1 full bed. Just pull this across, you get a nice big king size bed, and you fill in with this big cushion up here. You also have the great roll down screen system back here. So you can roll the screen down, have these doors open your side door, put the screen down, open your windows, put the screens down, and you also have a whole house fan in here that's going to draw the air through and make this comfortable living even without your air conditioner. but you do have your True Move on to air conditioner in here if it's hot out.
And I see another storage
another
right here.
Storage one there.
Very nice, deep.
Nice deep storage
and tall. It goes all the way up, actually.
All the way up to the top. Yep, all the way up there, and all the way out to the end here. Beautiful. So it's a nice big storage compartment. They optimized every inch for storage in here.
Beautiful.
It is beautiful. When we come around the side here, look at this big, beautiful awning. So this does have the arms you can put out. You can take these arms and you can put them in the ground out here if you want to prop that awning up and have it out further. So a big, beautiful awning on the side of here. And then we do have the porch lights. So at night, you do get a little light under your awning, which is nice to have. And Roadtrek does a great job with these big automotive glass windows all the way around, and then the openings. So it looks nice as you're going down the road. You don't just have little chunks of plastic on the side. So it's a nice, beautiful view in there. Again, here's that nice big step to get in and out of the coach. And we have that up here on this door too. So it comes out just like this when you open the door. And this does the same thing when you open and close the door. You can turn that on or off for camp mode. So if you want it out all the time, we're at the campsite, you can do that. And then right down here is where you're going to fill up your liquid propane. So you have your liquid propane fill right down here. And then as we step inside, we have this nice expandable table here that you can expand out. So you can sit 2 people here, and you can sit 2 up front, and you can have a nice conversation, 4 people together. You do get seat belts in here, 2 shoulder belts in this seat, which is a nice added addition, and 2 seat belts up front. So if you're not just using this for camping, we're going to take the kids to school during the week, they can sit right here with shoulder belts, and they'll be nice and safe. This table just stows away if you don't want to use it in this position. This piece tucks underneath. But you do also have great storage up here too. So you have your big storage pizza oven, we call it, up here. We have nice size cabinets here with the nice hinges to keep them open when you're loading and unloading the cabinet. And then these do have the positive latches, so when somebody's sitting here, nothing's gonna fall on them out of the cabinet. And then you have a beautiful countertop here, nice white quartz countertop with some sparkle in it, a nice deep sink here, and then you do have a nice expandable faucet that has a spray feature also. Coming back to here, you have your induction cooktop, which is great. Doesn't add extra heat while you're cooking. It's just heating the food inside the pan. And then you do have some nice size drawers here. Roadtrek's construction is wonderful. That's your air pump and your books for the unit. But Roadtrek's construction of this is wonderful. You have a nice little pantry here, hard to see from your side.
Beautiful. Again, we are in Class B.
That is right. Just a Class B van, you get a good sized pantry. And a nice refrigerator here with a little freezer section. So you have that. Nice pull-out drawer on the bottom, which makes it easy to access what you have in there. A nice sized microwave up here. Oh, door opens here. You have all your easy controls right here, so it looks beautiful here. And you also have a little storage compartment right next to it, which is nice. So they're using every inch for storage. Also up here we have our countertop extension. Just pop it up and you can have extension. So it gives you nice workspace from here, and then you can even work off the table here. So you have lots of kitchen area. Plus you're engaging with the people outside while you're here at the kitchen. It's nice to have it on this side of the coach. We just put the countertop extension back down. We do have some USB ports and 110 outlets and a 12-volt charger here. And then coming back here, Roadtrek does give you these beautiful pillows to go along with your bedding here. But again, nice size storage back here. This is a nice size storage compartment. Your inverters down there and some other things. So you can't store too much in here, but you do have some shelves to put some things on. On this side though, is where you get all those big, beautiful shelves. And then 3 drawers here again. Soft close, nice construction, all wood construction there. And then another 3 shelf system here. And as we come up a little higher, we have this huge compartment where you can hang clothes in here, which is a nice storage compartment. And then great storage in all of these cabinets here with the positive hinges and the latching systems. Nice storage. And all these do have the positive latches, so you just push that, they'll lock, they won't open while you're traveling down the road. You do have a nice size bed here. This cushion comes off of here, so you could sleep 2 twins like this, where all you have to do is pull this extension across, fill in with this cushion, and you'll have one big king size bed here. So here we have it in the king bed. So you might want to put your feet up here so you're not hitting your head on the cabinet, but you have a beautiful full-size king bed in here, which makes a great place. And you know what, if you have a pet with you, he's going to be happy sleeping underneath the bed, so he'll be happy down there. We also have our Truma Avanta air conditioner. So the latest innovation from Truma, this Truma Avanta, is a quiet air conditioner, and it will run off of the 600 amp hours of lithium in this coach. Now, Roadtrek's one of the starters in the industry to introduce lithium. They've been doing it for a long time now, but they're at 600 amp hours this year. You have an under the hood generator to recharge those batteries. They have a 3,000 watt inverter, so they do a great job with lithium and how to recharge it. Another advantage to this coach is this bathroom, and this is the reason it's called the Pivot. Okay, first of all, we do have this nice stainless steel door that comes across, looks beautiful. You do have a mirror here, but look inside this bathroom. It is a cassette toilet, but there's plenty of room in here to come in, do your business. You can use your sink, brush your teeth, do whatever you need to do. But then when it's time to shower, you're going to pull this little extension across, and look at that, you're covering up all that stuff. So you're standing in the shower here, and you're showering in here, and you're not getting your toilet and your sink all wet. So this is kind of a dry bath. So this is the best of both worlds in this little B-van. So it gives you a nice space to do what you need to do there. Then just flip it back, and you have your dry side.
There's a lot of storage in that small bathroom.
There is. Yep, there's storage in here. And then you have all of these compartments for storage, and you have more up here. So it is a great little bathroom with a big idea.
Very nice.
That's right. Yeah, it's great. So this is a beautiful coach. We also have TV up here. This TV does come out. It pivots. It can come all the way around like this, so you can see it from the bed area. And this coach is run by the Firefly screen. So Firefly is used in a lot of different ways. We do have our home screen here, so we're on our home screen. We can turn our lights on and off right here from the home screen, but we can go into the lighting screen, and each of these lights in here is dimmable. It has the up and down arrow, so great feature to have. We have bright, beautiful lights, but we can also dim them all. We also have a snippet of the climate. Yes, it's 102 degrees in here today. Isaac and I are staying cool though.
All for our viewers.
Yes, it's all for you guys. And then we do have all of our tank readouts here, and you turn your water pump on here, and this is where you're going to turn your batteries on. One thing I want to point out about the Roadtrek and all the Roadtreks is when you're plugged in, you want to have your inverter on, because that's how the batteries charge, which is a little different than some other brands. So something to keep in mind on Roadtrek. But when you're using the coach, you're going to have your batteries on and your inverter on. And then if it's plugged in, that's going to be recharging back those batteries. And this is where we extend and retract our awning. We do have our climate control here, so this is where we can control our heat and our air conditioning right in here. And then we don't have any air conditioning on, but we got a good breeze today, even though it's 102. And then we do have our settings screen here, so everything can be controlled right from here. So this is a great Firefly system. Forgot to mention that down here we do have a 110 outlet also. And then we do have some heat vents all around the floor in here, the little black circles that you see. And there's our carbon monoxide and liquid propane detector down there. But beautiful windows in this coach also. These windows open on the side here. And then we do have screens that will come across to keep the bugs out. And then we do have the nice insulated shades that go across to keep the heat and the sun out, or to keep it warm in the winter.
So Mary, if somebody wants to get a Pivot immediately, what do they do?
Just give us a call here at Fretz RV in Souderton, Pennsylvania. Our phone number is 215-723-3121, and I'd be more than happy to help you out with that. My name again is Mary Stevens.
So there you have it, this little tour of this beautiful Roadtrek Pivot. Amazing bathroom, by the way. So don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next one.